Hi, I'm Matt Greiner, Public Works Director for the City of Johnston. This spring we have a few construction projects happening in the community. One project is the reconstruction of Northwest 62nd Avenue and Merle Hay Road intersection. Construction on Northwest 62nd Avenue will take place from Northwest 59th Court east through Northwest 54th Court. Construction on Merle Hay Road will take place from 61st Avenue through 64th Place. This project is part of the city's efforts to improve safety, upgrade infrastructure, and replace deteriorating roadway surfaces. So what does this mean for you? The project will be split into 3 stages. Construction will be noisy, but work hours will be Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. And on the weekends will be from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Stage 1 will happen this spring into midsummer. It includes Northwest 59th Court east to Merle Hay Road and the west half of Merle Hay Road. Stage 2 happens this summer and into early fall. It includes the east half of Merle Hay Road intersection east through Northwest 54th Court. Stage 3 happens this fall and includes widening Merle Hay Road north to Northwest 62nd Avenue through Northwest 64th Place. What does this mean for closures? Our goal is to keep 1 lane in each direction on Merle Hay Road open. However, limited nighttime and weekend closures on Merle Hay Road will occur. Prior to changes in traffic patterns, electronic message boards will be posted in advance. Does this affect traffic for businesses and school? Access to local businesses, Lawson Elementary, and access for emergency vehicles throughout the construction process will be maintained. What do we need from our residents? While construction is going on, please keep children safe and out of construction areas. Use the sign detour routes to avoid the construction zone. Please drive slowly and yield to construction equipment and personnel. For more information about this project and future project updates, please visit cityofjohnston.com/projects.